Good morning, Tube. Today is Saturday. Showtime, guys. Time to go to work. It's about 7:15. First appointment's at 7:30. So I'm headed over to the shop right now, guys. Get to work, girl. That's my kid, J-Lo Lady Barber. She's on her way to grind down too. Teaching that girl young. Well, she's not that young, but she's pretty young. But she's already been learning for years, guys. My daughter is a seasoned barber. She is a master barber already. She's had her license already almost going on 6-7 years. She's already won some competitions. Really good barber. She's just pregnant right now, so you know, she's not on top of her game. Well, she is on top of her game. Her haircuts are awesome, but it's just, you know, she can't work as many days as I need her to, and you know, and then with the baby coming, once the baby comes, she's really going to be out for a couple of months, a few months. Maybe she'll work a day here and there, but she will be out for a little while. So it is what it is, you know. I try to make it work, guys. Today I'm going to be short-handed again. It's ridiculous. I can't believe it. It's not like I don't have enough barbers, they're just not showing up, you know? And like days like today, it's Saturday, so I got 2 guys out today. So there's only gonna be, we're gonna be rolling with 3 heads, which is insanity on a Saturday. But you know what, guys? It is what it is, and I'm just gonna go in there and knock them out and do as many as I can. I mean, guys, I'm not even lying to you guys. I'm not trying to brag either, but it's just been 20 haircut days. Over 20 plus haircut days the last 5 days in a row. You know, it's been insanity. But you know, we've been busy around here, and it's that time of the year where the festivities are going on. Everybody's graduating or promoting in all our local neighborhoods. So you know what? Guess what, guys? When that happens, everybody needs a haircut. And you know, I just throw myself out there, do my little commercials, my Instagram ads. You've seen them on I posted one yesterday on here. Well, my Instagram ads, I make those daily. You know, I film them with my phone, throw a little music on them, and throw them out there. And man, those things are working, guys. It's just bringing people in. You know, I throw them on Instagram, I throw them on my Facebook page, and it's just, you know, bringing people in, guys, and getting them inside my door. If I can get them inside my door, I'm gonna make sure that they stay there. And the way I do that is by giving good haircuts and good attitudes, and that's what we do at our shop. All right, guys, I'm gonna go inside, get some donuts real quick, and I'm gonna head to the shop. Right now it's about 1 o'clock. Yeah, it's almost 1 o'clock. Been slam busy, guys, but I'm only rolling with 3 barbers today for a Saturday. That's ridiculous. Kind of when I went on vacation. When I went on vacation, I left 3 barbers, so I'm just going through it today, guys. But man, I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of feeling a little burned out. I mean, you gotta remember, I've been cracking out like 22 haircuts every day since Tuesday. I don't know if you guys ever done 22 haircuts in a day. Man, that's a lot of haircuts. That's not the most I've ever done. I've done more than that. But to do 22 every single day for the last 4 days, and I know today's gonna be the same thing, it takes a toll on you, you know. Usually when we're rolling with 6 or 7 barbers, it's never that busy. I'll do maybe quick haircuts, and I can take my time and, you know, sit down for a minute and talk, and But when it's like this, you can't do that. You have to just be on, you know, like one after the other, after the other. Since there's only 3 of us, luckily there's it hasn't piled up on us, you know what I mean? Like there's been one coming in, one coming in, one in. There's been maybe at the most there's been 4 or 5 people waiting at one time. Nobody's really left, so that's a good thing. That just means that we're holding it down. That's kind of like when I go on vacation. That's what the boys go through, though. You know, I understand. It's difficult especially when I go on vacation. I take my daughter with me. That's 2 barbers right there, you know. So, and I left them 3 last week. The same thing that I'm doing today, and you know, it's tough. It's tiring, you know, and it's just like one haircut after the other, after the other, after the other, like no breaks, you know. And then right now I just got a break to come to the bank, and that's kind of like my break time, and I get to drive away for a minute and clear my head, get back in there and start grinding again. That's what it's all about, guys. That's how you do it. Do you want to do 22 haircuts a day? I mean, it's good money, yeah. Maybe if I was 21 years old, it'd be easy. But shit, I'm 49, you know. It's tough for an old guy like me. But I'm putting it down, and that's what it's all about, guys. And you know, I love it. I love it. You know, you want to be a barber beast? That's what it's gonna take, guys. You gotta work hard, work fast, you know, and you get through the customers, make everybody happy. You gotta make everybody happy. Today, I'm making everybody's customers happy because the boys are gone, so my 2 main guys are gone, so their customers are coming in, and they're like, you know, well, if those 2 guys are gone, and they come over to me, so I'm taking care of their customers too. So it is what it is. That's what the name of the game is, and you know, we gotta grind on, guys. Keep grinding. That's what we do. All right, I'm gonna head back to the shop right now. I'm gonna grab some lunch for my boys and my girl, and head back over there and finish this day off. And if I don't talk to you guys again, you guys have a good Saturday night. Probably won't see this till Sunday, so but you guys hopefully you guys had a good Saturday night, and I'll be at work tomorrow. I don't know about you guys. I work on Sundays, so I still got 2 more days of work before Tuesday is my day off. All right, guys, I'm gonna sign off. I'll get back with you guys later.